Welcome back, guys. Look at these tiny adorable gnomes. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet your own mini gnomes. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this project is quick, fun, and perfect for gifts or decorations. Before we start, here's what you will need. Yarn in your favorite colors. I'm gonna use milk cotton yarn, scissors, a yarn needle. In this project, I use 2.5mm and 3.5mm crochet hooks. I forgot to show the Fiberfill to stuff here, so we need some stuffing as well. Let's get started. I will make the green hat first. So start with a foundation chain. I use the 3.5mm hook only for the head. The number of chain is 24. To start the first row, make one more chain. This is not counted as a stitch. Then make a slip stitch to the back loops of the chains. You're gonna do back loop only slip stitch to all the chains, so it's gonna be 24 back loop only slip stitch. Row 2, chain 1 in turn. Continue to make back loop only slip stitches. However, this time just make 14 stitches. Row 3, 14 back loop only slip stitches. Row 4, chain 1 in turn. Make 10 back loop only slip stitches. Row 5 is a repeat of row 4, so chain 1 in turn, make 10 slip stitches. Row 6, chain 1 in turn. This time, make 6 back loop only slip stitches. And then row 7 is a repeat of row 6, so it's the same. Next row, we will crochet along the side, so chain 1 in turn. We're gonna make 6 back loop only slip stitches. Followed by 4 back loop only slip stitches. Another 4 back loop only slip stitches. And the last one is 10 back loop only slip stitches. Then chain 1 in turn and make 24 back loop only slip stitches. We are going to repeat what we have just done from row 2 to row 9 2 more times. So the pattern from row 10 to 17 is the same as the pattern from row 2 to 9. I will put the pattern on the screen so that you don't have to rewatch it from the beginning. This is how it looks like after 25 rows. Now fasten off and leave a long tail. We will sew the long edges together to form a cute hat for the gnome. Now we are gonna crochet the hat's border. I will randomly insert the white yarn to the hat's opening to crochet the border, and we are gonna use reverse single crochet stitches. So all the steps to make the stitch are the same as we make the normal single crochet. The only difference is that we work in a reverse direction from the left to the right. I actually forgot to add the decoration details, so this part is recorded after I have done some other parts. Okay, then after finish, we will move to the second part, the head, and also the body of the gnomes. So this time I will chain to the 2.5mm hook, and we will crochet in spiral. So start with a magic ring. Row 1, chain 1, make 6 single crochet to the magic ring. As we crochet in spiral, we will not slip stitch to join the round. I will just use a stitch marker to mark every first stitch of a round. So row 2, make a single crochet increase, meaning 2 single crochet worked in a stitch. There would be 12 stitches on row 2. Row 3, make a single crochet. And then 2 single crochet to the next stitch. Keep repeating until reaching the stitch marker. So the total number of stitches on row 3 is 18. Row 4, single crochet increase. Make a single crochet and then single crochet. Keep repeating that pattern until reaching the stitch marker. We have 24 stitches. From row 5 to 10, make a single crochet to every stitch. There is no additional stitch on all of these rows, so the number of stitches is still the same, 24. Now we will come to the decrease part. In row 11, I will turn the next 2 stitches into 1. This is how to do it. I will insert the hook to the front loops of the 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the 2 front loops, and the rest is the same. So this is an invisible decrease stitch. Make 2 single crochet and then keep repeating until reaching the stitch marker. The total number of stitches on this route is 18. Row 12, make a single crochet and then single crochet decrease. The total number of stitches of this route is 12. You can now stuff the head with some fiberfill. This is the last route and it's an entire decrease route, so 6 single crochet decrease. I'd like to fill in a little more of stuffing so that is firm enough. The tweezers are very helpful. And now what we need to do is to sew the opening close so that the fiber cannot come out. I will make the Gnome's shoes the same color with the head, so make a foundation chain of 11 chain. Row 1, chain 1. Make a back loop only slip stitch to every stitch. Row 2, chain 1 and turn. 11 back loop only slip stitch. Row 3 is still the same, 11 back loop only slip stitches. Then fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. I will fold it like this to sew the zigzag edges together. The legs are simple. You're gonna just make as many chains as you want the legs to be long. And then sew it to the gnomes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun crochet projects. I would love to see your finished gnomes, so tag me on Instagram at Letsyarnoverover so I can check them out. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next video.